Wooden flooring is one design element that can completely change the look of your home from normal to luxury. Whatever its bedroom or living room or office space, wooden floors added to the warm elegance and premium feel that child simply cannot match. But many people still ask, is wooden flooring is what? Or it's durable? And most importantly, what is the price in India? So in this video, I will explore the importance of wooden flooring design, its benefits and types and latest price range in India. Watch till this video before choosing the floorings for your house. So friends, the first we know why wooden floorings is important. Wooden floorings is not just about beauty, it's the added to the value and comfort and lifestyle of your house. So wood give to the natural and rich finish. Even simple room looks premium and wooden floorings. Unlike tiles, wood is not only cold in winter, it feels soft and cozy under your feet. And homes with wooden floorings have higher resale value because buyers prefer modern and premium finishes. So match every interior style for wooden floorings like modern, classic, minimal and vintage style homes. Wooden floorings fits each and every style, and wooden floorings are easy to maintenance. No heavy scrubbing or needed, just or sweeping or light mopping, and it's looking to the new begin. So friends, wooden floorings is ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, TV unit areas, study rooms and office rooms. Avoid to use in bathrooms and open balconies due to the water exposure. So friends, now we know types of wooden floorings in India. Now let's talk about first one is a laminate wooden floorings. These are the most popular and budget friendly. These features like real wood and scratch resistant and easy installation. The price in India 80 rupees per square feet. This floors is best for bedrooms, rental homes and budget interiors. And engineered wooden floorings. This made of real wood layer on the top with strong base. These features are more durable and natural wood look and handles of temperature charges. The price in India 250 rupees per square feet. These are best for living rooms and luxury apartments. Solid hardwood floorings, another one. It's 100% real wood and premium option. The features like lifelong, long life, 20 to 30 years life, can be polished again, high end finish. The price in India 500 rupees per square feet. These are best for villas and luxury homes. Vinyl wooden flooring, another one. This is a water resistant and flexible. The features are good for Indian climates and low maintenance and sofa surface. The price in India 120 rupees per square feet. Best for ground floors and area with the moisture is a risk. So friends, now we know installation cost. Installation charges are depend on the city and type. Installation cost will be 20 to 50 rupees per square feet. Laminate floors are quickly to install. Solid would take to the more time. So friends, advantages of over the tiles. Wooden floorings, it is warm feel and cold surface. These are the premium look in common finish. This is a comfortable walking and better for the bedrooms, and tiles is the better for the wet areas. So friends, wood floorings give to the comfort style while of tiles is very mainly practically. Now important tips before buying wooden floorings. Always choose branded materials, check the warranty, use underlay foam for sound reduction, avoid to the excess water cleaning and hire professional installers. So friends, wooden floorings is one of the best investment for stylish and modern home. It's added to the beauty and comfort and value. If you want to the luxury on your budget, laminate floorings is the perfect. For premium homes, go for the engineered or solid wood. So, friends, tell me in the comments which type of wooden flooring do you like the most. And if you this video is help to you, don't forget to the like, share, and subscribe for more home decor ideas. And thank you for watching this video.